Hello, today we're going to be looking at question 18 from the June 2022 paper. This question asks us to show that the ratio of angles ABO and ACO is 3 to 1, and we can do this using relevant circle theorems. Firstly, we're given the angle BAC, which is 28 degrees, and because of the angle at the centre theorem, we know that the angle BOC will be double BAC, so BOC is 56 degrees. Additionally, because the two sides of the BOC triangle, OB and OC, are the radius of the circle, we know that this is an isosceles triangle, and so OBC and OCB angles will be the same. And to work them out, it's 180 minus 56 divided by 2, which is 62 degrees. And so OBC and OCB are both going to be 62 degrees. Now the next angle we can determine are those at ABO and ACO. To work out ACO, we see that the tangent DC and the radius OC are at right angles to one another, and so the angle 83 plus angle ACO will be equal to 90 degrees, meaning that the angle ACO is 7 degrees, as 90 minus 83 is 7. And in terms of our ratio, ACO is 1, and so that's 7 degrees. Now to work out the final angle ABO, we need to look at the whole triangle ABC. And the total angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 28, minus 62, minus 7, and minus 62, it leaves us with the missing angle, which is 21 degrees. And so the angle ABO is 21 degrees, and in terms of our ratio, ABO is 3. So the ratio ABO to ACO is 21 to 7, which when each number is divided by 7 simplifies to 3 to 1, which is the ratio we were asked to show, and so that's the answer. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to see other similar circle theorem question videos, there's a link to the playlist on the end screen. Thank you for watching.